The outcomes of a training program will drive decisions about its design, from content to methods to materials. We should be aware of the different types of outcomes that we're aiming for. There are different ways of categorizing these outcomes. We'll look at one framework that splits them into 5 categories in this lecture. First, we have outcomes related to learning verbal information. Specialized knowledge like names, dates, keywords, and other facts. Training that teaches employees about a product or a service, for example, may include several outcomes related to verbal information. When we want trainees to apply verbal information to solve problems, interact with customers, or innovate, we'll need to make sure that we measure intellectual skills. Training that teaches customer service skills, for example, is probably going to include several outcomes related to intellectual skills. Cognitive strategies influence what trainees pay attention to and how they pay attention to it. It also influences what they remember and how they remember it, as well as their decisions and their problem-solving capabilities. Think of cognitive strategies as the bridge between verbal information and intellectual skills. Cognitive strategies allow people to apply verbal information and develop their intellectual skills. Training that teaches people how to make better decisions or solve problems would likely focus on these outcomes. We can also emphasize the learning of physical movements or motor skills related to a task. Training programs that teach people how to fix a product by showing them the correct sequence of hand and body movements would be an example of a program that would use these outcomes. Sometimes training attempts to change people's attitudes about or feelings toward the training topic. The assumption is that these internal states, emotions, and attitudes influence behavior indirectly, and by changing them, we can change behavior. For example, some training programs focus on improving employees' attitudes toward customers and attempt to convince them that following the organization's policy about interacting with customers is important to job success. Most training programs will include outcomes from more than one category. Now that you're more familiar with learning outcomes, complete the writing tutorial on this and the next Canvas page to practice writing learning outcomes.